In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the network settings on your Android or Samsung phone quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. You can either swipe up to access your apps or tap the Settings icon directly. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, look for the Reset option and tap on it. Now, to reset your network settings, select Reset Network Settings. Before you continue, keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, mobile data settings, paired Bluetooth devices. Don't worry though, this process will not delete any of your personal data, photos, apps, or files. To continue, tap Reset Settings and confirm your choice. Your phone will briefly disconnect from Wi-Fi and complete the reset process. Once it's done, your network settings will be restored to default. And that's it! Your network settings have now been successfully reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.